Here I am going to share Draftkings promo code which you can use right now and get amazing bonus by simply using this trick which I am going to share you right now. I am going to share promo code as well as trick to get $200 by simply depositing $5. So just watch this video till end, and let me tell you one more thing. If you want more videos like this, simply go to YouTube, and you are able to find videos which I created in past and that codes are still working. Simply go to YouTube and search Draftkings slash promo code, and you are able to find my videos which I created in past. So let me show you Draftkings slash coupon box, and you are able to find my videos which I created in past. Let me show you. This is the video which I created in past. You can check that this video and this video, this three videos are still working. You can go and check that video too. Okay, so before that, let me tell you one more thing. Each coupon code is working right now and you can use it, and these are available for limited time, not for each and every time. If you are from UK, US or anywhere else, you can use that code. So this is first code where you will get double your bonuses by simply using this code, which is double down. Simply use that code and you are able to double your bonuses by simply writing this in your reward section. That's it. And let me directly go to the promo code where you will bet $5 and get $200. What you need to do is simply visit this site. The site is this. You can simply write this in your Google and you are able to visit this website. After that, you need to go down, and you are able to find this section where you will get promo code. Okay, so simply select your country and click on claim promo, and uh, you are able to get this offer where you can bet $5 and get $200. Okay, so just go to this site and get your $200 by simply visiting this website. Hope you understand. Check out my previous videos on DraftKings. Subscribe for more videos like this.